I am not making a claim or asking a question. I am saying today, इंडिया अलायंस खत्म हो चुकी है. नीतीश कुमार खुलकर राहुल गांधी और तेजस्वी यादव को अटैक करने कह रहे मैं इनकी तरह डायनेस्टी पॉलिटिक्स नहीं करता. भगवंत मान ने बोला कि हम 13 सीट जीतेंगे पंजाब में, कोई जरूरत नहीं है कांग्रेस पार्टी की. ममता बनर्जी ने बोला कि हमें कुछ नहीं करना कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ. कांग्रेस हैज नो रिस्पेक्ट फॉर द एलाइज. राइट, सो द इंडिया अलायंस इज ओवर. आप कितना भी इसको बनाते रहे, दिल्ली में दिल्ली प्रेस क्लब में बैठ के आप इंडिया अलायंस चलाने की कोशिश करें, मगर प्रेस क्लब से तो कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी चलती नहीं है. अब सुधांशु रिप्लाई करना चाहते हैं. जो सुधांशु जी, जो बिलाल जी ने कहा था, द प्रॉब्लम इज विद द एलाइज ऑफ द कांग्रेस, नॉट विद द कांग्रेस.
No, whatever Mr. Bilal has said, he has reached to the crux of the situation in Bengal politics. He has said that how come you will be able to tackle the right-wing forces? It means the Bengal politics has come to the stage which is not TMC versus rest, which is the ruling party. It is BJP versus rest, which is the opposition party. And moreover, before 2011, after China, the biggest population under communist rule was in Bengal. Now they are totally wiped out. In the 6 years of independence, not even a single day the party has ruled, BJP has ruled. But in the past tense, Communist and Congress has ruled. In the present tense, there are 3 tenses in English grammar. Trinamool Congress is leading. So now, 2 past tense parties are clearly indicating that TMC is moving from present tense to past tense, and BJP with 38% of vote. We have increased election by election from Gram Panchayat to national election to the state assembly. 18 Lok Sabha seats, principal opposition party with 38% of vote. So we are the future tense, sir. And as far as the India alliance is concerned, look from north to south. In Bengal, they were, in Kashmir, they were already Gupkar gang. In Punjab, now there is no alliance. In Himachal, Uttarakhand, direct fight between BJP and Congress, no need of alliance. In Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, there is a direct fight, no need of alliance. In UP, alliance was required, no alliance. In Bihar, they were already in the alliance. And in Bengal, now there is no alliance. In Assam, it is direct context. And in Andhra, they are not having an alliance. In Telangana, they are not having an alliance. In Maharashtra, they were already having Mahavikas Aghadi. In Karnataka, it is direct between BJP and Congress. In Tamil Nadu, they are already having DMK. So, bhai, ye tha kahan? What Arnav is saying is correct. It was a media creation. Now I can say LOL to the Lutyens media, who were creating a fancy picture of that thing which was not there at all.
बिलाल और अनमोल, who's going? अनमोल,
अलायंस नहीं था, तो फिर अभी जो पंजाब में मेयर के इलेक्शन हुए थे, उसमें आखिर आपने अपनी एंटिसिपेटिंग योर डिफीट, योर इलेक्शन ऑफिसर गॉट मिस्टेरिकली इल. 20 वोट इंडिया अलायंस के थे, 15 वोट आपके थे, और आपने उस मेयर के इलेक्शन को नहीं होने दिया. आप कह रहे थे चुनाव जीत के आप आए हैं. चुनाव जीतने का क्या मकसद था? चुनाव इसलिए जीता जाता है ताकि लोगों के लिए काम किया जाए, ताकि देश की जनता के लिए काम किया जाए. इसलिए नहीं जीता जाता कि बार बार चुनाव लड़ा जाए. आप एक राज्य बता दीजिए, टेल मी अ सिंगल स्टेट where BJP government is providing free electricity and 24/7 water supply. A single state except Delhi and Punjab in this country. 40% of the population, rural population households,
Now can I ask?
has no water supply. Yeah, certainly.